The X and Y speed is a bit too much. I think they last for about as long as I want. I want them to rotate a bit more. Let's do these things one by one or I'll overwhelm myself. So electric particle. I wanted them to not have such a high speed. So let's say between -2 and 2 for both the X and Y speed. Let's just make it so that electricity is always traveling up. So between -2, let's say from -3 to -1. So it'll never be positive, it'll never go down. And I want it to rotate a bit more, so rotation amount -200 to 200 for the rotation amount, divided by 100. Alright, test that out. Don't want to make too many changes. So I like this a bit more. I think I may alter their starting size, because they're just really big and a bit overpowering. So let's get them to be a quarter of what they are now. Let's try between 1 and 4. Okay, that's a lot more interesting, I think. They don't exist for very long, do they? They don't exist for very long, and it's because I'm saying when idle has looped, set visibility to false. Now this really only makes sense if we've got an animation that lasts for a while. This electricity doesn't have an animation, so let's get rid of that idle has looped block. Play it now and see how it behaves. Whoa! Okay, makes a big difference, doesn't it? So, starting alpha 1. Alpha fade rate. I want it to be negative, so that it fades away. So let's say between -50 and -20. And then alpha will be alpha plus fade rate, which is negative, so they'll fade away. Okay, they exist for very brief. Okay, so they're fading way too quickly now. You probably can't even see them. So let's decrease that fade rate to -10 to -5. Okay, that's cool. So we could keep playing with that. That's up to you how you want it to look. It's always cool to learn something new. That's pretty much how particle effects work. We will go and do smoke particle effects on another object, but we'll make its own video for that. And that is how we can make particle effects.